pulling in waves, isn't it?
Digging in me, man.
Look at this for awkward. And the way that the drive-thru wraps around, I can't go through in one go with the with my recovery truck. Look how tight the car park is.
Oh yeah.
It's fucking terrible anytime you come up these sides and you're hungry.
Question now is, what do I want?
Well, it looks like you got a fair bit of time to figure that one out because these lot are busy right now. You know what I mean? Inside the place. Come to think of it.
Oh.
Go on. Rock, paper, scissors, loser pays.
Just one go?
One go.
Okay.
2, 3.
Ow! Took skin off my finger.
My scissors are sharper than yours. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Motherfucker.
You said I was going to pay, but now you've done that game. You're paying now. That's your own fault. You're right, took skin off my finger.
Good.
You fucking... Ow! I'm right. I'm actually bleeding.
Good.
I'm actually bleeding.
Yeah.
Look what I done.
Violence. I woke up and I chose violence.
I'm ordering everything now, just to take a piss. Not really.
Chocolate caramel pie.
Pretzel. The pretzel McFlurry.
Caramel pretzel McFlurry. They got some new. Look at McDonald's. I slagged them off on TikTok the other day, and now they're trying to come back with a whole selection and shit. Watch this. It's not theft. It's flavor relocation.
What is it?
Oh,
Japan.
no,
Japan's garlic and black pepper.
Japan, Poland, Canada,
garlic and
Australia.
black pepper nuggets with garlic and soy mayo.
Think about it.
Sour
Though.
cream and black pepper fries. What?
Mac and cheese triangles until the 25th of November.
That's till today.
25th of November, mate.
Oh yeah.
Pineapple Mac Spicy. No, I'm being serious.
Yeah.
Pineapple Mac Spicy. Maple bacon barbecue double quarter pounder. UAE's cheese mac and triangle thingamajigs. Japan garlic and black pepper nuggets. Garlic and soy mayo. Poland sour cream and black pepper fries. The Poland shit sounds nice. No, those are the individual things that you can.
But that's £6 for a fucking pack of fries.
I know. It's a goddamn shame I lost. I'd have been like, I need mac and cheese triangles. I need a double, triple, crippity, quappity, quappity burger from Timbuktu. I need the Wakanda fries with the Atlanta sauce. The Timbuktu goddamn McFlurry with the
Oh, shut up.
Narnia
You gibberish, jabberish.
toppings and yeah, that right there. Ow! Let me hear you say ow. I don't trust you. Stay over there.
Yeah, better move over there.
Stay your ass over
Still
there.
what to think, yeah. Carry on.
I'm gonna start keeping a weapon down here, just for you. So work out what the fact it is you want, Gav.
Yeah, I'd like to try them fries, but I'm not having you pay a fortune because I'm like that. £2.90 they are. And
How much is on your nap then? You want to do it on nap?
Raw.
which one's my shoulder on there?
I do it on nap?
No.
I'll tell you one
Yeah, can I get the sour cream and black pepper McShaker fries?
Yeah.
Can I get the mac and cheese triangle share box?
Yeah.
The garlic and black pepper McNuggets.
Yeah.
And what drink?
Let's have an Oasis.
A medium Oasis
Yeah.
and a medium banana milkshake.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it, thank you.
Open up when you can.
So,
Like a milkshake, but it makes me do that funny thing in my throat. Weird.
fuck off, I want my you're scanning my code, mate, I want my points.
Yeah.
And I swear I've got free food as well.
Yeah.
I mean, I could show them the thing. Lying, I just told the man I had free food. Why didn't he put it on? Fancy offers.
I'm not gonna lie on the dude.
What's that, 5% off? We're on, whatever.
15% off when you spend, that runs out tomorrow.
When you spend £15.
Yeah. Oh, it's not gonna be added anyway. Fuck it.
You're going to miss out on it, aren't you, with the free food?
Yeah, but I've got until the 4th of November to do that.
Oh, okay. You said tomorrow, today. Can you get some curry dip, please?
Y'all want free burgers? That's a bag of free burgers, man. Well, obviously going in the bin. Y'all want them bin burgers?
I seen somebody come the other day, right when the other day, but they come, because they'd given the wrong order, they just dash the food in the bin.
Yeah. That's exactly what he's going to do right now. So I see you. What about the poor and hungry? What about the poor and hungry?
What thing that it's got there? It's very
Look like a lot of spuds. Say, this is where I have a problem with my truck now.
Tell you mad.
If anybody's parked in them two spaces, I can't even get round the corner. I have to do some shuffling.
Do the shuffle, yeah.
Yeah, the truffle shuffle. To go real wide, come back on myself. I'm gonna have to do it with this too. Watch this fucking idiot get right up my arse.
How far are we away from the place now?
What, from the place we're going to? Close, like 12 minutes.
We're still going to be early anyway.
Yeah, well, by the time you finish doing this, you'll pull up and eat somewhere. See, I'm actually on the fucking pavement.
What's out of order?
You're out of order.
Yeah, out of order for you. Carry on.
I don't give a fuck.
Don't accept payments from people with no hairline. She just told me.
That's
why
fine.
it's out of
I don't
order.
mind you paying. I'll cop to that if you're paying.
You wanted to play games?
Last one, yeah. Share box cheese size 6 promo nuggets with the sauce, shaker fries, banana and Oasis.
Yep, sounds about right.
You Robert?
Yep.
That's 1955 then, please.
Okay.
It's all gone through,
Alright, thank you. You're a dickhead. Oh God.
What's wrong with that? The actual thing is actually stinking.
Good.
Done.
I wish I had some lemon juice.
I'm just gonna put it. Look what it fucking
I wish
does
I had
today.
some lemon juice.
I want to get more competitive, and then you still lose. You won't play these games. It's actually 1st of November next Saturday. Fuck's sake.
There, this car park is full of fucking Deliveroo and Just Eat drivers.
There's one here.
Oh, yeah, I know. But this is the problem with McDonald's in general these days.
No space.
You know, like you got, like designated parking for click and collect. These motherfuckers park in those spots, like. Don't get me started. Shit.
Don't forget the curry sauce. You alright?
Nobody never asked for no curry sauce.
Well, when she's back, you should put
Well,
some
you
in
probably
there.
should have said that when you was ordering. So what now? Voodoo?
Just food with me.
How you doing? You right? Can I get curry sauce as well, please?
So, is that it already?
Shut up.
How easy that was? Making a big deal. You shouldn't have asked me the thing, don't you? No, I mean, you can just ask what
I'm putting a curtain here. Right in the middle.
You
Just
still
to,
hear me, it's alright.
It's alright.
You still hear me.
With the sauces are in the bag.
okay, thank you very much. Cheers.
Hold on. It wasn't for 6 nuggets, was it?
Is that all it is?
Yeah, nah, you asked for you asked for the
Whatever. Okay.
yeah, but he's charged for the big one though.
No, he hasn't. He's obviously charged for that.
There's no way this come to £20. Nah. There's no way.
Overpriced shit,
It wasn't
mate.
for 6, was it? What the fuck?
What the bag's for? You probably have to shake that shit yourself.
For fuck's sake. No, because the nuggets were £8 something. There's no way you paid £8 for 6 nuggets.
Nah, but he did say 6 something rate. So
That's a mistake.
shit's just expensive.
No, I think you've been charged for more. Sorry. Where's your receipt? That's the
What
receipt.
receipt?
Huh?
What receipt? Let's put it this way. These on their own were £7 odd. Wow.
Oh, you look nice, though, to be fair.
No, these are minuscule. It serves 3.
Oh, smell that.
I don't want it.
I'm gonna sneeze. No, that's taking a piss, Rob. I'm sorry. No, but it's £8. It's 6 fucking nuggets. I'm not gonna lie now.
It wasn't £8 for 6 fucking nuggets.
What? It actually tastes of sour cream.
Okay, so the fries might actually be worth the £2 odd. Big up Poland, yeah? If that's how your fries are hitting.
Tastes
Now,
nice.
isn't there some kind of soy garlic that's supposed to be for these?
For them?
Yeah.
For the nuggets?
Yeah.
This is a nugget.
I should have ordered some regular nuggets just to see, for you to see what the score is, but yeah.
Ladies first. No manners. They're actually quite nice. Even the sauce is nice.
I feel like the sauce is nicer than the nugget.
I'm totally not so. Oh no, the nugget is not.
Six nuggets, yeah?
I'm telling you, you've been done, man.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, you have.
I'm telling you, I haven't. Watch. Quickly reorder. There you go. 6. Because people are trying to talk like I'm some idiot.
You're such an idiot.
There you go. That was my order. 6 more fucking nuggets, man. So the question is, how much?
Them nuggets are banging.
Go to sharers and bundles.
Yeah, how much is it for a share box? That's what I thought it was.
Yep, there. So the 20 nuggets share box is $8.59. The mac and cheese triangle share box is £7.09.
Hold on, add this up. I'm sorry, because I will go back in there. Don't business and taking the piss. Money's money, man.
If only people listen.
Okay, so how much was the dip things? The fries were $2.19. I know that much. And how much were the things?
Raw. So the nuggets, them 6 nuggets were $5.39. I would have been better off just getting the share box for 20. There you go. End of. So for 6 nuggets, it was £5 odd. For 20 nuggets, it would have been $8.59. There you go. Cleared up now. Everybody knows where to stand. I would have been better off getting the 20 box. Yeah, that sour cream shit.
It's nice, isn't it?
Just give it a nice little.
Oh yeah, mac and cheese bites in there.
Yeah.
Overpowering if you
Snort a line of that sour cream and black pepper. Yeah. I need to revisit these nugs.
Nice with that sauce. What is it? Soya? Garlic? Garlic soy.
Garlic soy. Better than the English nugget.
Gives it a bit of flavour.
Texture slightly more.
Oh, they're loads. They're beautiful. They're loads better.
But it's that sauce for me. I could eat the regular nugget with that sauce and be happy.
We both had the same, yeah.
Going back to the sauce.
They only give us one tub as well.
I know. Well, you only get 6 in it. With the 20 bucks, you probably would have got 3 or 4.
How I feel about him.
But what? The mac and cheese bites? Yeah, I'm sorry, UAE. These ain't that special. Saying that, this might be a bit of a drip because the size may be totally different in the UAE. But I haven't even got anything to hand to show you. Well, you can see my hand. My hand not big. Not
Put it next to
excessively.
your head. Don't choke on my cheek. And you put it next to your head, then you have to see the size. I'm just saying. Someone else said that he might not live today. I think that might be reversed. I wasn't being funny, I just said so they could see the size.
Anyway, in other news, at least the sun's come out.
I told him that as well, he said he weren't gonna.
No, I did not believe that it would for a second. However, right now,
I keep digging out the sauce, it's not just yours.
oh, fuck you.
I had the curry sauce, but I just don't think the curry sauce is going to go with the chips.
Wrong. Sorry, this sauce is for the nuggets, mate.
That's mad, that gives it a sour cream taste, just that powder. Really nice taste.
Again, this is not charged, Annie. Need a nice new fucking charging wire for this phone. So, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, I don't want to slag anybody off unduly, but I swear I feel like I said banana milkshake.
It sounds odd. Banana.
Yeah, it said banana. What's pink about a banana?
Is it pink?
Look at that. Tastes like banana though.
I took the piece of egg it's always pink. I'm allergic to strawberry.
This is McDonald's, they'll be like, that's cool because there ain't no real fruit in any of them.
Yeah, I can see it back in there.
So, near enough 20 quid spent on just testing out this lot. What do you think? The fries, I feel like that was worth the actual money they was asking for it.
It'd just be nice if they stayed hotter for a bit longer though.
That's just fries in general though. But I feel like don't put the whole packet on straight away. Kind of work out what your balance is first.
Yeah, the whole pack is a bit too much now.
Other than that, they are very nice.
And you don't
So,
say that about fries.
Big up Poland for that because I enjoyed
It's
it.
just not a name they've called it. It's actually from Poland.
No, that's what they do in Poland with the fries. Like all of these different, as what, you know, it's like a native McDonald's thing in that country. Innit?
I feel like I need to go to Poland to see.
UAE, like I said, I'm 50-50 with Jess because I feel like these bites could be bigger. But it might just be the UK variants, and our portion sizes are ridiculous in comparison to everybody else's. So can't hold that against you. These are kind of nice, but not the best mac and cheese bite I've ever had. Then you man over there, Japan, black pepper and garlic. That garlic and soy sauce, I could eat that with pretty much anything. But your nuggets are definitely an improvement over the standard Euro or standard England ones anyway.
Definitely.
Okay. And now I know I can come to your native country and not starve, because there'll be a McDonald's there with something that I'll actually eat. Will I buy it again? Probably not. But
They look nice. They're very deceiving. They look nice, but I don't think they taste as good as they look though. I like to dunk it in my sauce, but you don't see
what sauce? That sauce is for the nuggets. Shut up. Trying to make out like I just heisted all the sauce. You got curry sauce that you made a fuss over that you didn't even touch.
Yeah, because I don't feel like it goes with the food that I've had now. I think it'll take the taste off what the food tastes like.
Each to their own, homie.
Maybe strawberry halfway down.
I think it's just predominantly foam, to be fair. Oh well, fuck it. Time to get on.
These sauces.
Yeah, you might as well take them out and just.
Do you want any more of these? Oh, not that many.
Right, boldly forward and on to the next stop.